Alexa Maris and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun. Ain't no mercy.
For today's video, mag-unbox ako ng mga gifts sa akin nung 18th birthday ko, nung celebration ko. Kaya ito galing. From Rosalie Sola. Sola ba ito, Dad? Sola. From Rosalie Sola. Ano ito? Pantulog? Ah, cute. Next one. Ay! Dito to tissue yan eh. Bakit nandito? Kala ni Mama Ray. Tissue yan, Dad. Kala ni Mama Regalo. This is from Tito Jim and Tita Ted and Charisse. Bathroom Perfection. Ano lang siya. Balik na ulit natin. Ay, from ano ulit? From Tito Jim, Tita Ted and Charisse. Oh my God! Nalagyan ng lipstick. Next is itong mango from kay Shania to galing. Wow naman! Uy, dilaw ako. Thank you so much. Next one, itong cotton on. This is from wala, hindi ko alam kung kanino ito galing. Kay Kayla ata ito. Next one. Ay, ito galing pa kay Amery. Oh my God. May wallet na akong bago. Next one. This is from my ate. Kaya ito galing nito. Bag. Maitin si ate galing, diba? Kaya ito galing. Wala kasi nakasulat eh.
Oh, yeah.
Next one is Micaela. This is from Welanie. Oh my God. Ay, ang ganda, Ma.
I like that.
Meron. Meron. And may wallet. Ma, may wallet pa. Cute. Next one. Itong for me from Jelly. Baka naman. This is from Ate Danica. Wow.
Hindi nila alam pangalan.
Liwa-liwa.
Parang ganyan. Ang cute.
Cute! Ganda! Next one is from Ate Nadine. Wow! Pinaka-special, Nike. Wow!
Eight color.
Uy, ang ganda niya. May Air Max.
Ganda!
May Air Max.
Thank you! Next one is from Ate Lady. Aldo sa shop. Wow! Accessories from Aldo. Ma, ang dami. Ang gaganda ng Aldo. Thank you, Ate Lady. Next one is from Ate Kat. Valenzuela. Shimmering splendid bunnies. Next one is from Forever 20. I think Ate Villa. Si Villa. Ang Villa. Dami naman. Wow, leather dress. Asan si Villa? Villa, lumabas ka dyan. Mahilig kasi yan sa dress. Jacket, wow. God, thank you, Villa. Next one is from... Let's see, wala ko na pangalan eh. Sabi sa iyo, wow! My God! Next one is from Baby Gum. Ano ito galing? Sa atin siya, no? Ay, oo, siya yung sagap. Wow, shorts. Next one is from Camille. Wow, no. Next one is from Janelle. Wow, blank. Thank you, Janelle. This is from Ate Jeyo, Ate Ira, and Ate Alex. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is from Ate Girlie. Ipalit na ako. Beb, ang daming regalo mo. Dalawa. Ganda. Wow. Yung mga shades na gusto ko. Pwede ito. Oh my God, highlight! Ma! Bakit dito lang ako napasigaw sa makeup? Kasi, ayan o, highlight. Yung papakita ko. Thank you. From Gian and Gab ata to. Kasi sila yung mismo nagkabot nito sa Mark! Pinag-itiwan ako pero may medyas dito. Ayan, from Iconic Socks. Next Micaela. From Ivan Kimbao. Yun. Micaela. Oh my God. Thank you. Dami ko ng bag. Araw-araw mo papalit ako ng bag. This is from... Wala na naman pangalan. Basta, kung makikita, napapanood yung photo. Wow. Siya naman. Oh. Thank you so much. Ay, ito yung kay Mai galing. Kasi yung tatak niya talaga. Okay, may ata. Next one is from Giselle. Okay, Giselle ba? Dami ko ng damit sa Ate Nita. Pagdalaman mo, ah. Next one is from Micaela din. Nabuksan mo na ba ito? Ay! This is from Micaela din. From Well? Ay, kasi okay. Ito yung kay Well. Ito, hindi ko alam kung kanina ito galing. Pero thank you. Pare. Ay, hindi. Iba naman. Wow. Pero yung kay Ivan tsaka kay Well, parehas lang design. Iba lang kulay. Finally! Yung from Ate Bella, yung brand niya kasi is Zara. Dalawa bigay. Thank you so much, Ate Bella. Oh my God! Masweater! Sweater! Magagamit ko na. Thank you, Ate Bella. Natutuwa ako. Thank you, Ate Bella. It's from... Anong pangalan? Maliit na. Cute!
Pang-bag.
Ayun. Kulay green. Kala kulay green. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Next one is from Sir AC. Sir AC. Excited ako dito kasi siya lang. Ewan ko kay Ma'am Aileen. Be yourself. Oh my Thank you, sir. Pwede mo naman service ako yun. May mga gifts pa rin ako na hindi pa na-open. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng nagbigay. As in, sobrang thank you. Tsaka, thank you din sa mga sa pagpunta nyo kahit busy kayo. Ayun. Thank you so much po for all of this. Thank you kasi naging part kayo ng celebration ko ng 18th birthday ko. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment for suggestion, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you on my next one.